Workshop Dust Curtains. A workshop dust curtain by Acon enhances safety by containing hazardous particles, improving air quality, minimizing cleanup, protecting equipment from contamination, and ensuring a healthier, more productive working environment in your woodworking shop. This is not a crinkle tarp. We all know about the home improvement store tarps that look unsightly and break down quickly. Those will do in a pinch. But if you want a professional-looking garage that you can be proud of, then you will want to upgrade to an Acon reinforced vinyl dust control curtain. Premium vinyl materials. Premium vinyl is stronger and looks much nicer. In addition to it being a higher quality material, it is made to your exact size requirements so that it does not bunch up on the floor or leave gaps where the dust can get through. Big and small dust curtains. At Acon, our range of workshop dust curtains includes everything from small garage dust control curtains to expansive dust control curtain walls for warehouses, ensuring that no size is too big or too small to meet your specific requirements. Choose from several different layouts to enclosure or close off your dusty areas. Our curtains offer versatile installation options. They can be mounted in a fixed, static position, or can utilize our steel Easy Glide curtain track system, enabling smooth side-to-side movement to suit your spatial dynamics. The rolling track allows your garage dust control curtains to be retracted, when not in use, to give you full access to the area. Then when it's time to go to work, close the curtains and contain all the messy wood dust. The workshop dust curtains roll with ease even around corners with the use of our 90-degree radius corner. The corners can be added or removed to allow for future flexibility as your shop changes. These track attachments slide with ease on the track to the locations that you need them. When it's not possible to support your dust control barrier curtain from above, you can opt for our freestanding hardware. This hardware style is ideal when the ceiling has too many obstructions or lacks suitable attachment points. Select from many color configurations to perfectly complement your environment or align with your company's branding. Floor sweeps. Optional floor sweeps will keep the wood dust from getting under your curtains, also preventing the main curtain from rubbing on the floor. Acon Curtains offers top-quality dust control curtain walls that are easy to install and available at a low cost. We will make sure your dust control installation is a success.